on to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at noun. Noun in Nzema, noun is called Duma. Duma. So if you hear noun in Nzema, we call it Duma. In English, we say that a noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or a thing. Or it can also be said as a noun is a word that names people, places, animals, things, or ideas. Yes, the first definition is mostly used by our siblings in the at the primary level, yes. But at the JHS level and so on, I think the second definition is okay for us. You can as well say that a noun is a word that names anything. Simply put, a word that names anything. Let's move on to our Nzema definition. A noun is Duma. You say Dumale edwaka kwakamo befabema sona eleka nane debie anze adwene no debiela. Dumale edwaka kwakamo befabema sona eleka nane debie anze adwene no debiela. Simply put, as the English definition for noun has a simply put, very short. In Nzema, you also have something very short. You could also say that Duma ale edwaka kwakamo befele abodie bi alala. Anze Duma ale edwaka kwakamo befa bema abodie bi alala. Edwaka kwakamo befa bema anze befa befele abodie bi alala. That means anything. And or examples, as we have in the definition, a name given to persons or people, places, things or ideas, animals, etc. In Nzema, we say Dumamo ya fayema sona eleka nani debi anze adwenu debiala. So we take them one by one and we know the examples of those nouns. We have Sona Duma. Sona Duma. Name of people or name of a person. Sona Duma. Example. We have Kojo, Peter, Jemisi, Mieza, Avo, Avola, Kwame, Esita, and so on. In Nzema, there are some names of persons that you won't have them in English. Yes, it's the person's name, and so it doesn't mean you should have an English name for it. There are some names in English that we borrow, but then we have a way of spelling them or pronouncing them. We move on to names of animals. Nane Duma. Nane Duma. We have Tria, that is dog. Kusu, cat. Bolike, pig. Bwane, sheep. Bote, rat. So these are some examples of names of animals. Nane Duma. Let's move on to names of places. That is Eleka Duma. Eleka Duma. Anze Sua Duma. We have Ngana. Ngana. In English, we say Accra. You have Kumasi. Kumasi. You have Takolade. takulade. That is Nzema pronunciation. But in English we say takrade. But in Nzema we say takulade. We have manjia. Manjia. Eriane. Efesu. Edobo. Baseke. Etc. etc. Let's move on to names of anything. Debie and the debie biala. You have ebia, that is chair. Bole, stone. Baka, stick. Ekmole, table. Bulukun, book. Bokiti, bucket. I'm taking it again. Names of anything. Debie biala. Ebia, bole. Baka, ekmole. Bulukun, bokiti. Couple, penny, etc. etc. We have a whole lot. We can't mention all of them here. Let's move on to ideas. This one is not something that you see, or it's not something that you can touch. It deals with the mind. So in Nzema you say adununu debi, adununu debi, and say adununu duma. You have elole, that is love, showing love to someone. You have agalubole, being worried. Yes, if you are worried, in Nzema you say agalubole, agali ebo. You have nohalelile, nohalelile, truthfulness, truthfulness or being truthful. Yes, so this is the definition of noun in Nzema, as we call it, Duma. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.